Tell me, how will you check if a number is a positive odd or positive even?
Okay, first, I'll see if the number is positive. If the number is positive, I'll check if it's odd or even. Simple.
Hey, Mr. Intelligent, how do you check if the number is positive?
That's it? Too easy. I'll simply check if the number is greater than 0.
What next?
What next? If the number is divisible by 2, it's even. Else it's odd, so.
Well, that was easy. Look at the program now.
Okay, with line 1, a user can type any number. And in line 2, we check if the number is greater than 0. Next, if the number is positive, we move to line 3. And then we check if the number is divisible by 2. But wait, is there a problem with the indentation? Like, I can see spaces. Or is that if inside an if?
If block inside another if block. You guessed it right.
Doing so, you can give multiple conditions to your program. Isn't that amazing?
Whoa, I like it. That's just crazy.
So, if the number is positive, Mr. Python moves to the next if block on line 3.
Yup, where he checks if the number is odd or even.
Correct. If the number is equal to 0, Mr. Python displays the message from line 4.
If not, it displays the message from line 6. And if the number is not positive,
Whoa, teamwork! Now it's my turn. If the number is not positive, Mr. Python jumps from line 2 to line 7 right away. So we simply display the message from line 8.
yep, and we call it nesting.